You gotta not talk dirty, baby. If you won't impress me, you can't be too flirty, mama. I know how to undress me. Let me be your fantasy, and maybe you could be mine. You just leave it all up to me. We can have a good time. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't no particular sign I'm gonna back over with. I just want your extra time and your kid. Think I better dance now.